Hello guys, today in this video I am going to introduce you with Go programming language. So here are two things which I will discuss here. First is what is Go, and second why you need to learn Go. So first slide, here you can see what is Go. So Go is basically a open source programming language and which is developed by Google. It was released in 2009 by some Google engineers named as Robert Grishmer, Rob Pike, and Ken Thompson. Go is basically known for its simplicity, efficiency, and its scalability. So these are the properties of Go language, and it was basically designed to solve issues in large-scale software systems. It is also having strong support for concurrency through Go routine and channels. So Go routine and channels, these are two topics which we will discuss. In the upcoming videos. Go compiles to machine code for higher performance. Okay, so it's basically suitable for the high performing applications. So now the topic is why you need to learn Go, or why you should learn Go. Okay, so here you can see Go offers significant advantage for modern software development, and it is ideal for building cloud native applications and microservices. It was designed for highly performant concurrent systems, and it is simple and easy to learn, and its syntax, basically it is simple and easy to learn, and which makes it beginner friendly. That means if you are new to programming world, then definitely you should go with Go language. So Go is also having like support for cross platform, so that means you can use or work with Go on any platforms, like any operating system like Linux. You can use Windows or Mac OS, or you can also use any other Unix like operating systems. So now it is also having large ecosystem with a rich standard library and extensive community support. So that means Go is already having its library, basically, which is having a lot of things already over there which you can use it during application development, and it is also having a lot of developers out there which can support you during your development process. So I hope you learned the basic thing about Golang, or we can say Go programming language. So for now, that is all guys in this video. Talk to you in the next one. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.